It's very cold here, guys. So, pupunta kami ng store. Yung car ko is dito sa labas nakapark kasi nga yung garage door is siya kanang hindi siya ma-open. So, kailangan automatic kasi to, and then kailangan pang iangat. So, papaayos yan ni Brian. Baka bukas pupunta yung may tinawagan na siya. So, yung car ko is dito lang siya nakapark. And, yeah, ang lamig na dito. Ang aga niya. What's wrong here? My gosh, Brian. The car is so a lot of...
You put everything in the bag. Put everything in that bag. There you go. Good girl. That's all good.
Daming plastic kasi nga. Lamig. Oh my gosh. Tapos siya, na umuulan ng maliliit na yellow ng ice. Linis akong face eh. Wa ko'y ligo. And then may dala akong face mask kay Brian at saka sa akin. So let's go. Ang hirap pag winter kasi nga ang kapal ng damit sinusuot mo, no? Di ba?
We had barely spit in a little snow right now.
Yeah, there is a flakes.
Yeah.
Flakes, no, is that the right English?
Yeah.
Flakes.
Flakes.
Yeah.
Wait for all the leaves to get down. Then I'll ring for you. I'm not doing it once.
Huh?
All the leaves.
Yeah.
Wait till you get off the tree first, but then I guess it doesn't matter.
Yeah, that's why I told you that early. The snow.
We just don't cut somebody else's yard in mine anyways.
Kasi nga yung mga yung mga dahon, hindi pa siya nalalaglag. Supposedly nalalaglag to lahat bago mag snow. Ngayon ang early niya. No, still chosen, not forsaken. Wala, Daddy, look at the smoke.
That's steam.
The steam from this company, guys. Na, look at that. Murag na ay sunog.
See there, look, the beets, those beets.
This one.
You steam those beets there.
Oh, yeah,
you extract the sugar out of it.
Yeah, guys, this is the beets now. Ang dami. So, andito na kami sa store, guys. So, tingin-tingin lang kami. Nakita yung paa ni Brian. Doon si Brian. Andito kami sa store. May mga na sila dito. Christmas tree. Lamig eh. May mga display na ito. Decor. Sa labas to. Ito, gusto ko to. Lagay sa car. $12. My gosh. Ganitong bag. Sale. 50% sale. So this is $50. So how much that for 20 up 50%? Yan, dito kami sa labas. Ay, ang ganda nito. Nice this body. How much? Is 50% off. So, toys 34. How much the $34 for 50%?
Yeah, I think it's
17.
maybe 50% off that.
Yeah, this one from 34 goes down 17.
$12 or $14, something like that.
Oh, it's nice. Not enough? Christmas tree. Magkano to? Ay, 153. But it's nice.
You should get this one. And,
You want to buy it? It's 153. But it's nice though. Yeah. How much? 104. Can put the outside, no? If there is a snow, it's so nice. And this one is 69.
This is what the house is gonna look like, and the yard on a cord.
Yeah, there's a lot of Christmas decor. Here, let's go inside. We go here inside. And also here, there is another. This 153 also.
It's the same one, is that right?
Yeah.
Let's go this way, huh?
The other one, Daddy. Ang ganda pag may ano. May maliit kami na Christmas tree sa bahay. This one, oh, ang laki. 97, this one. Oh, 90. May maliit kami sa bahay. Parang ganito ata to. Daddy, our Christmas tree is same like this, right? Small one. This one?
Okay, like this one, huh?
Yeah, it's like that. But this one, Daddy, is 69.
Yeah, it's just like a little plant.
Yeah. From 99.
We'll get one of these.
Which one? Ang ganda pag ano. May maliit. So cute. No?
Yeah, so you can pin these things down and so you put.
Yeah, we can put this, Daddy, on our bar. No? How much? There is no price.
Yeah,
Ay, $6. This one, the blue color is $6. $7. The price. So cute, Daddy. What are you looking for? Huh?
We have other bags here.
Yeah. Clearance? Naka-clearance siya. How much? $19, Daddy. Ang titibay niya. The clearance, Daddy, is $20 na. 19 point. Eco Gear. This is kanang maganda yung ano niya. From Ang ganda.